Hey guys, this is John from Walkthrough Code. So in the last video we talked about how to do if-else statements in EJS. That and looping over an array really does a vast majority of what I do in EJS, but there's a couple other little useful things that can kind of come in handy sometimes. One of them is using layouts. Layouts are not native to EJS. However, it's really useful when you can use a layout file and then just have everything that's kind of wrapped in there or in that file around it while you switch views from URL to URL. And you'll kind of see what I'm saying when you see this, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to create another file, and we're going to call it second. You know what? We'll do about.ejs. Then I'm going to create a file called layout.ejs. And so, like I said, layouts are not native to Express, so we have to add them. And the way that we do that is we say npm install -- save express -ejs -layouts, and that will give us the package that will allow us to do that. Let's see here. So that's done. Let's go ahead and take a look at our server file. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add something called var let's see, express layouts equals require express what was it called again? Express -ejs -layouts. And then what we'll do here is in app.use, or rather below here, so we'll say app.use, and then we're going to say express layouts. Okay. And now that will give us the ability to use a body, kind of like a placeholder for all of our, I don't want to call them partials, but just kind of the layout file, the things that go in, the views that go inside of the layout. So this layout file is our wrapper. This will take everything that we want to put in here. So I'm just going to put a generic thing in there, and then the way that we do this is we have, it's an EJS tag, however it has a dash next to it, and we say a body. This will now take the, this will now be where the place for those particular things is held, and we can prove that by putting an H1 up here, and we're going to say this is in the layout file. And then, okay, so what we'll do is we'll go here to index, and we'll say, we'll just put like an H3 down here, and we say this is the child, I don't know, view file. And then we'll go to about, and we'll do the same thing, H3, this is the child view file thingy. Okay. So we can test this by going to server, and then just for argument's sake, we're going to go app.get /about, and then a little function, and let's do request and response. Full disclosure, in everyday coding, I usually use rec and res, but alas. And we'll say response.render. And then we're just going to render about. Nothing big. We're not doing anything crazy. So let's go ahead and start the server. Node mon. No errors. That's good. So we're going to go here. Okay. Perfect. We have this. This is in the layout file. And you'll see why that's important in a minute. However, we have this thing inside of our layout file, and we see it in index.js. This is the child file. However, if we go here and we go to about, now we see that, oh look, this wrapper, or this this layout file shows everything other than what's in the body. as well on every single page. Like a use case for this would be probably a nav bar, or nav bar and or a footer and or something something along those lines. That's pretty much it, really. That serves the purpose that it needs to. If we go back here and we can just go back and forth, and this layout file thing just stays there. And that's really the purpose of a layout. If you have any questions or comments, totally leave them in the comment area below. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. But other than that, have an awesome day and keep coding.